met die Trump-effek, wat nie net 'n uitwerking het op Suid-Afrika nie, maar ook op die hele Europa. Ons het sopas 'n vergadering gehad in Madrid in Spanje, waar patriots van Europa bymekaar gekom het. Dis nou al die behoudendes, Viktor Orban, Meloni, Le Pen, Weidel, Geert Wilders en 'n ongelooflike klomp mense wat bymekaar gekom het daar. En onder andere het Viktor Orban die volgende stelling kwyt geraak en ek haal aan. The bureaucrats of Brussels have destroyed Europe. Because of Brussels, the European economy is slowly sinking. Because of Brussels, our money is being sent to Ukraine, to a hopeless war. Because of Brussels, Europe has been flooded with migrants. Brussels has opened the gates, opened the borders to the invasion of migrants. George Soros announced 1 million migrants must be allowed into Europe every year. Hey, presto, in the last 9 years, 9 million migrants have arrived in Europe. The migrant invasion of Europe, the so-called population exchange, is not a conspiracy theory, but the practice itself. En hy sluit dan af deur te sê, it's time to look for new conspiracy theories, because all the old ones has turned out to be truth. Einde van die quotasie.